हे व्हाट्सअप फैमिली, कैसे हो आप सब। सो गाइज, आज की वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे है। कॉज गाइज टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज कंपाउंड एंड आइसोलेट मूवमेंट। सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले, लेट्स मूव टू आवर वीडियो। The topic on the basis of which I will define these terms will be definitions or meaning of compound and isolate movement, its differences, benefits and advantages, timing and workouts. Isolate movement, it is a movement that requires the use of only one muscle. Means कि हम वो movement hit करें जिसमें हमारी एक muscle ही involve हो. For example, biceps curl, tricep extension, pectoral flies, etc. We can also call isolation exercise as a concentration exercise. नेक्स्ट कंपाउंड मूवमेंट हमारा क्या होता है। कंपाउंड मूवमेंट आर दी एक्सरसाइज दैट वर्क मल्टीपल मसल ग्रुप एट द सेम टाइम। फॉर एग्जांपल स्क्वाट्स दैट वर्क स्क्वाट ट्राइसेप्स, ग्लूट्स एंड काफ्स टू। नाउ मूव टुवर्ड्स इट डिफरेंसेस। इन कंपाउंड मूवमेंट occurs at more than one joint and more than one muscle group. Isolation exercise occurs at only one joint and target only one muscle group. Compound exercise saves your time because one exercise works several muscles group. Means if we have a less time, we can hit a compound movement. Isolation exercise consume time because it focuses only one muscle group. We need more strength to perform the compound movement, and in isolation movement we need strength but not as much as we need in compound exercise. The potential to burn the fat is more in compound movement. मीन्स कि अगर हम कंपाउंड मूवमेंट हिट करते हैं तो उससे हमारा फैट बर्न के चांसेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा होते हैं, वेयर एज फैट बर्निंग पोटेंशियल इज कंपेरेटिवली लो देन द कंपाउंड मूवमेंट इन आइसोलेशन एक्सरसाइज. नाउ मूव टुवर्ड्स इट बेनिफिट्स और एडवांटेजेस. द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ कंपाउंड मूवमेंट आर इट हेल्प्स टू बर्न मोर कैलोरीज, हेल्प्स टू improve the flexibility, improves strength, elevation or increasing your heart rate, helps to gain more muscle mass, etc. Whereas the benefits of isolate movement are it helps in targeting specific muscles without including others. It helps to improve the muscle imbalance. Means कि अगर किसी को muscle imbalance की problem है तो they should focus on isolate movement in spite of compound movement. And third advantages are helps with injury recovery because you can target one muscle without getting the injured one involved. Now if we talk about its timing, so truly speaking there is no explanation required to define this, but just one simple concept we should involve, and it is that if a muscle is not placed under tension through a full range of motion during compound exercise, then the muscle needs an isolation movement. Means कि अगर हम वर्कआउट को फुल रेंज ऑफ मोशन के साथ परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं but then also we are not seeing any differences, then we should switch towards our isolate movement. Workouts for the compound movements are deadlift, squats, reverse lunges, dumbbell shoulder presses. And the workout for the isolation movement will be hamstring curl, leg extension, barbell curl, dumbbell fly. Guys, I think कि आप सभी समझ गए होंगे कि compound and isolate movement हमारे क्या होते हैं. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Thanks for watching. This is Harsh Fitness and Motivation. Love you all. Bye bye.